So, today I'm going to be making slime with my 3-year-old cousin, and we're going to see which one turns out, the 3-year-old making slime or the 8-year-old. What you're going to want to do first is take 20 mils of hot, warm water and pour it in. And now I'm going to go get some for her. I'll be right back. You want to pour this into your bowl?
Yeah.
Good job, Jasmine. Okay, now what we're going to do, 20 mils of cornstarch.
Hey, that's so much, Olivia.
I know, this is how much it calls for. Oh, and by the way, my name's Olivia. If you watch my other videos, you'll,
Hey, here we go. I'll do it.
This one's mine, and then I'm going to put some in for you. Come on.
That's so much.
I know. Okay, Jasmine, put this in your bowl.
Hey, look at me. I just dumped on my bowl. Hi, Laurie.
Hi, Jasmine.
Are you saying cheese to me?
Yep, cheese.
Can you dump on my bowl, Olivia?
No, it's finished. Okay, now wait, Jasmine.
Oh, my name is
Okay.
Jasmine.
10 mils.
You need glue.
I need this.
On my bowl. Can I do it?
Ooh, ah,
Is it too hard?
a little.
Just a big one. Is it glue? Can you get some more for my apple?
Here, Jasmine, put this in your bowl. I almost dropped the lid. That's what's wrong. Now stir. There's water, like a bunch of water still left in it. So I think I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more. Now I'm just eyeballing it. For a second.
What?
I was trying to get it off the spoon and then it went on my face. Get this off, get this off, get this off. Okay, so it's already turning out pretty good. It's so sticky. That's good. I think I might have to add a little more cornstarch or water. Yeah, definitely gonna add something to that. So now we need to add, we need, in, Jasmine. Let's see. Yeah, we're mixing. Ooh,
Yeah, I'm staring, Lori.
Mm-hmm.
this is nice. Want to come feel it, Lori?
I do not.
She does not like slime.
You don't?
Nope.
Hey, my hands are sticky.
Let's see this, Jasmine. She actually stirred pretty good.
No, don't.
1 second, Jasmine.
Don't.
I'm going to make sure that it's stirred up.
What? Look at me.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
That's my ring. That's my ring.
Nice ring. Your slime ring.
Yes, this is my slime ring. This is my outside slime ring.
Because it's white. And
Yes, white.
and Snow is white and she's an ice queen. Jasmine, look, this is your slime. It's really good.
And this is my slime. Go dry it off.
Here you go, Jasmine. Now I gotta stir mine a little more. It says to do this in a disposable cup, but
Just fine. It's okay.
wait,
What?
hers was really, really sticky.
Don't.
This
Do you like slime, Lori?
No, I do not.
Look, there's a cat.
Do you like cat?
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to add. Where did
I got to do today.
You're making slime today with Olivia.
we need to add that much of that?
Look at me. Like slime, Lori? Like slime? No. Is it yucky?
Yep, yep, yep.
Okay, now we need to add
Mm,
a teensy bit of this.
that big kids doesn't like slime.
Some don't.
No.
Look at
Hey, so much slime. Are we making
Grab your spoon and start stirring.
the little one? How come it's so now I'm eating. Oh, I know why, because we didn't have this. Is it big cakes like slime?
Some do.
Some don't. Is it just 1, 2? Now stir. Is it just a kid?
Jasmine's a small kid.
No, I'm a big kid.
No, you're a big girl, but you're a small kid.
And Laurie's a big kid too. Laurie's an adult.
Who acts like a kid sometimes?
You mean all the time?
Nope.
Well, sometimes she's really strict.
Somebody has to be.
So, as it says, you are supposed. You're supposed.
Can you share with Jasmine?
Yeah, I'm gonna add
Does
more drops.
this please?
It's really hard to squeeze, so I'm gonna squeeze.
Okay.
Okay, now stir that in. And Jasmine, roll up your sleeves. Roll up your sleeves. So, we're gonna keep mixing and do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. So, these are our finished slimes. They're really small, but that's all the ingredients that we could have had. And it's really sticky, so yeah. And if you were wondering what brand we used, we were using Montoy, and it's pretty good, and it gives you 4 choices of what to make. There's this one, this one, this one, and this one. And the one that we did was,
Pretty much all of them.
yeah, we did them all together, so it's going to be glow in the dark. And it's like a textury weird color, and it's sticky, and it's really stretchy. So,
Jasmine, what is that?
That's a slime.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you having fun, Olivia?
yeah. Goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these.